Have you ever wondered why, even as people earn more money, financial worries never seem to disappear? It's a common belief that a bigger paycheck means a safer, more comfortable life. Yet countless individuals find themselves living paycheck to paycheck regardless of their income. Today, we're diving into a financial rule that rarely gets discussed, but could be the key to lasting personal wealth and peace of mind. Let's explore why earning more isn't always the answer and what you can do differently starting today. Picture this: you get a raise at work, and for a moment, everything feels possible. But soon, new expenses creep in, maybe a nicer car, more dinners out, or a bigger apartment. Before you know it, your bank balance looks just as tight as before. This is the income illusion, the idea that more money will automatically solve your problems. In reality, without the right habits, higher earnings can simply lead to higher spending. Have you noticed this pattern in your own life? Lifestyle creep is one of the most common financial pitfalls. As people earn more, they often upgrade their lifestyle, sometimes without even realizing it. Small changes like daily coffee runs or frequent online shopping add up over time. Suddenly, your expenses match or even exceed your income. This cycle can keep you from building true financial security no matter how much you make. Reflect for a moment. What small habits have crept into your spending? Many people try to fix their finances with strict budgets. While budgeting is useful, it's not a magic solution. Budgets can feel restrictive, leading to frustration or even guilt when you slip up. Over time, some abandon budgeting altogether, believing it's too hard to stick with. The truth is, budgeting alone doesn't address the root cause of financial instability. What if there's a simpler, more sustainable approach? Take a moment to think about your own money habits. Do you track your spending, or do you rely on mental math? Are there areas where you tend to overspend even when you know you should? Reflecting on these questions can reveal patterns that may be holding you back. Awareness is the first step toward change. What would you like to improve about your financial habits? Now let's reveal the financial rule no one talks about but should. It's simple: always pay yourself first. Before you spend a single dollar on bills, groceries, or entertainment, set aside a portion of your income for savings or investing. This one habit can transform your financial future no matter how much you earn. Why does this work so well? Because it prioritizes your long-term security over short-term wants. Paying yourself first flips the script on traditional budgeting. Instead of saving what's left over, you make saving your top priority. This approach builds your wealth automatically, helping you avoid the trap of spending everything you earn. Over time, even small amounts add up, creating a safety net for emergencies and opportunities. Have you ever tried saving before spending? How did it feel? Let's make this rule practical. Many experts suggest starting by saving 10% of your income. For example, if you earn $2,000 a month, set aside $200 before you pay any bills. This money can go into a savings account or investment fund. The exact percentage isn't as important as building the habit. Over time, you can increase your savings rate as your income grows. One of the easiest ways to pay yourself first is to automate your savings. Set up a direct transfer from your checking account to your savings or investment account every payday. This removes the temptation to spend what you should be saving. Automation makes the process effortless and consistent, so you don't have to rely on willpower alone. Consider Sarah, who struggled to save despite earning a decent salary. After learning to pay herself first, she set up an automatic transfer of 10% of her income into savings. Over a year, she built an emergency fund and felt more secure, even when unexpected expenses popped up. Sarah's story shows that small, consistent actions can lead to big results. You might be thinking, I barely have enough to cover my bills. How can I save first? This is a valid concern. Start small, even if it's just $10 or $20 a month. The key is to build the habit, not the amount. As your situation improves, you can increase your savings. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Pause for a moment and ask yourself, what's one small amount you could set aside from your next paycheck? Even a tiny step forward is progress. The act of saving, no matter how little, sends a powerful message to yourself about your priorities and your future. It's easy to compare your financial journey to others, friends who seem to have it all, or social media influencers flaunting their lifestyles. But everyone's situation is different. Focus on your own progress and celebrate small wins. Remember, true wealth is about security and peace of mind, not appearances. Paying yourself first doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It simply means you prioritize your future before your wants. After saving, use the rest of your income for essentials and things that bring you joy. Being intentional with your spending helps you avoid guilt and make choices that align with your values. Building an emergency fund is one of the best uses of the pay yourself first rule. Life is unpredictable. Car repairs, medical bills, or job changes can happen at any time. Having a cushion gives you peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt when surprises arise. Once you've built up some savings, consider investing a portion for long-term growth. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. You don't need to be an expert. Start with simple options like index funds or retirement accounts. The earlier you start, the more your money can work for you. Keep track of your savings and investments over time. Watching your progress can be motivating and help you stay on course. Use a simple spreadsheet or a budgeting app to monitor your growth. Celebrate milestones, no matter how small, they're proof that your new habit is working. Everyone faces setbacks, unexpected bills, job changes, or emergencies can disrupt your plans. Don't get discouraged. The important thing is to get back on track as soon as possible. Remember, financial security is a journey, not a destination. What matters is your commitment to keep moving forward. Imagine your life a year from now if you start paying yourself first today. How much more secure and confident would you feel? Taking small, consistent steps can lead to big changes over time. What's one thing you can do this week to move closer to your financial goals? The financial rule no one talks about but should is simple: always pay yourself first. This habit builds true wealth, protects you from life's surprises, and gives you peace of mind. No matter your income, you can start today. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Thank you for joining this journey to financial security. Remember, lasting wealth isn't about luck or high income, it's about consistent, smart habits. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial confidence grow. Your future self will thank you for taking this first step today.